One of Xbox's biggest upcoming RPGs, The Outer Worlds 2, is landing on PS5 with a twist one that's left physical game collectors scratching their heads. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your hub of latest tech and gaming news. The Outer Worlds 2 is indeed getting a physical release on PlayStation 5, but don't let that shiny disc fool you, because it's nothing more than a key to the door. According to a tweet of Does It Play, the actual disc only contains 1.32 GB of data, while the full game is of massive 77 GB. And yes, all of it must be downloaded. Turns out that internet-required label on the front of the box was not just a suggestion. This revelation has sparked frustration online, especially among collectors and gamers with limited internet access. Technically, the PS5's Ultra HD Blu-ray format can hold up to 100 GB, meaning the entire game could have fit on the disc. Other titles, like Gears of War Reloaded and Ninja Gaiden 4, actually give the full game on the disc, which makes us question, why didn't The Outer Worlds 2 do it? Some think it's a cost-cutting move or a way to control updates and DRM. Others blame the increasingly common trend of disc-enameable releases, where boxes include either minimal data or nothing but a download code. This isn't just a small problem, it shows the industry is moving away from true physical media, and for fans hoping to own, lend, or preserve their games long-term, it's a troubling sign of what may become the new normal. So while The Outer Worlds 2 might deliver in gameplay, its physical release feels more like a clue than a product. Do you prefer game downloading or physical discs? Let us know your opinions in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any update.